Hello all you wonderful people out there, this is Kevin from CZ Pipe here, where we focus on productivity and pipeline for creatives, and I'm back with another InDesign tutorial for you. And this time I will show you how to make layered numbering for chapter numbers, and this was something I needed for a job that I did, and I realized that I had no idea how to do it. And that doesn't happen all that often to me anymore with InDesign, so I thought maybe I'm not the only one. And I did find the answer in a thread online, so here's a video on that very thing. And first, what do I mean by layered numbering? Well, something like this, where you get the number of both the current heading and any potential upper headings as well. And in this demo, I will be using it for chapter numbers, but it could of course be used for lists as well. And why use this? Well, it allows the reader to keep track of exactly where they are in the document. So it might be useful for big documents with a lot of parts, a lot of sections, etc. And it's also, of course, way easier to automate rather than writing down all numbers manually. Without further ado, here's how to set it up. And I have a demo file as per usual. And you can see that there are plenty of different headings with different levels. And there are 3 of them to be precise. And each one of these have its own paragraph style, which we will need for this to work properly. Also, for this to work properly, the stories or parts need to be linked together, so InDesign understands to continue the numbering all the way through, at least as far as I could tell when I've been trying it. And if you don't know how to do that, you simply press the little arrow here and click on the following box to link them. And if you can't see the threads, just go to View, Extras, and then Show Text Threads, and that should get you sorted. Alright, I think we are ready to set this up. So let's go into the main heading first, which will be this one, H1. And next we need to find bullets and numbering down here. And to activate lists, we choose a type from the drop-down, numbers in this case. And this is level 1, so we leave that. And that's all for the top level, really. And of course, if you wanted a different look, you could change that here. Maybe some Roman numerals or whatnot. I am going to slightly adjust the tab indentation though. And there we go. Then we just press OK. Let's move on to H2. And we do the same thing. Bullets and numbering. And choose numbers as type. And this time, however, we need to change this to level 2. And since I have preview on, you can see that these have a list number now as well. But how do we add the upper level before it? Well, for that, we place our cursor in here. And this field kind of determines the format of our numbering. This circumflex, as it's apparently called, and the T should, for example, be the tab at the end. And here we want to add the upper level's number. And to do that, we just click on the arrow here and then choose Insert a Number Placeholder and choose level 1. And lastly, just add a dot after it. And exiting this field, we should now see the correct layered numbering for H2, which we do. And just to make it look pretty, I'm going to add a character style as well, maybe light that I already have here. And maybe fine-tune the tab spacing once again, something like that. Then it's pretty much the same for H3. Just go to the same place and numbers, and this time it's level 3. And now we add the placeholder. First we do level 1 plus a dot, and then we do level 2 plus a dot, and some cosmetics, just a second. And then the tab indentation, and now we should be pretty much done. Press OK on that one, and voila, that's it. We now have layered numbering for all of these headings, making it very clear which chapter it belongs to and so forth. And that's all I had for this time. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. It helps me out a lot. And also, if you have any productivity questions or suggestions for future videos, make sure to throw those in the comments below. Once again, thank you, and until next time, have a good one.